Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alpam Public School and this school is situated in Gulambazar. Today our topic is comparing numbers. In chapter place value, today we have to learn topic comparing numbers. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alpam Public School. I am your subject teacher of math. And today in class 4 we have to learn chapter place value and topic comparing numbers. Okay, so let's start. The topic is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Okay. Today we have to learn about comparing numbers. How we can compare numbers. Okay. In comparing number today we have learned when the number of digit is different. First subtopic is when the number of digit when the number of digit when the number of digit is different. When the number of digit is different. First subtopic is when the number of digit is different. Okay, you know that when the number of digit is different, there is an example. Compare 3000, 30,948 and 6,24,252. You can see here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Okay, so we can say that in 30,948 and 6,24,252, that is greater. 6,24,252 is greater because it has 6 digits and it has 5 digits. Okay. Now come on next subtopic. When the number of digit is the same. When the number of digit is the same. In this condition, first example is compare 34,251 and 16,219. In this number we can see here when we compare 34,251 and 16,219. Firstly, we have to compare. When the digit in the extreme left place of both the numbers are the same. Okay. Firstly, we have to compare 10,000 places, that is 3 and that is 1. So we can say that 3 is greater than 1. So we can say that this number is 34,251 is greater than 16,219. Okay, and writing numbers. Now the next example is writing numbers in order. The next topic is writing numbers. Now the next topic is writing numbers in order. Writing numbers in order. Firstly, ascending order means, I want to tell you that ascending order means the order of numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means the order of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Once again you have to listen carefully. Ascending order means the order of numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means the order of numbers from greatest to the smallest. Okay, now come on, that is an example. Write the numbers in ascending order. write the numbers in ascending order, and there are numbers 56,251 56,251, and next one is 24,398, 65,342, and 39,362. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So firstly we have to write the smallest and after then greatest. Okay, so the smallest number is 24,390, and after that 49,362, and after that will be 65,342, and 56,251. Okay, now the next example is write the numbers in descending order. You know that descending order means order of numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, so we have to arrange the number from greatest to smallest. So the numbers are 2,468, 6,25,390, 46,250, and 39,239. Okay, firstly we have to write greatest to smallest. So 6,25,390, and after that 46,250, 39,239, and after that the next 2,468. Now come on exercise 1.3 that is given in your book. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. First question is question number 8. Compare each pair of numbers. Compare each pair of numbers. Each pair of numbers. Compare each pair of numbers. Okay, and put greater, smaller are equal in the box. Okay, in the circle. Now listen carefully. First question is 18,018 and 9,880. Firstly we have to compare the number of digits. There are 5 digits and there are 4 digits. So this is 18,018 is greater than 9,880. Second question is 10,018 and 17,018. Okay, firstly we have to compare 10,000 places, both are equal. So then we compare 1,000 places. When we compare 1,000 places, there is 7 and there is 0. So 7 is greater than 0. So we can say that 17,018 is greater than 10,018. Okay. Now question number 3 is 74,369 and 25,780. Okay, and the next one is 7,346 and 7,410. Now compare the digit. Here we have to compare. When we compare 7 and 2, 7 is greater than 2. So we can say that 74,269 is greater than 25,780. In this number, 7 are same, on 1000 place the number are same, on 100 place 3 and 4, 4 is greater than 3, so we can say that 7410 is greater than 346. Okay, now come on next question, that is rewrite the numbers in ascending order. Question number B, rewrite the numbers in ascending order. You know that ascending order means number from greatest to smallest, order of number from greatest to smallest. So we have to arrange smallest to greatest. Okay, so that is first question is 6707. First question is 6767. 6767, 97,676, 5,454, and next one is 4,545. Firstly, we have to arrange the smallest to greatest. So which one is the smallest? We know that 4,545 is the smallest, and after that there will be 5,454, and next will be 6,767, and next will be 97,676. Now come on next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is 13,421, 3,142, 3,214, 3,214, and next one is 3,244. Firstly, we have to arrange the smallest to greatest. So there will be 3,142, and after that 3,214, and next will be 13,421, and next will be 43,244. Okay, now come on next question, that is question number 3rd, and question number 3rd is 75,510, 75,510, 5,501, and next one is 5,515, and next one is 5,500. Okay, so that is 75,510, there will be 5,500, 5,500, 5,551, 5,515, and 75,510. Now the next question is rewrite the numbers in descending order. And you know that descending orders mean order of numbers from greatest to smallest. So we have to arrange this number from greatest to smallest. Okay. So now come on question. The first question is 42,474, 1,744, 3,437, 47,250. Which one is greater? We know that 47,315 is greater, and after that 42,474, and next 3,447, and next will be 1,744. Second question is 12,059, 2,509, 2,905, 2,109. That will be, first number will be 12,059. The greater is 12,059, and after that 2,905, and after that 2,509, and next will be 2,109. Now come on next question. 8,009, 81,025, 8,008 lakh, 1,880. The first will be 8 lakh 1,880, and the next will be 81,025, and the next will be 8,009, and the next 8,000. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and now we will meet with new topic in new video. Thank you for